Rank Math is one of the most popular SEO plugins for WordPress. It helps website rank higher in search engine by providing in-depth SEO analysis, optimizing content based on your key phrases, and includes powerful features to enhance your website's SEO effortlessly. But to get the best results, you need to set it up correctly. If you are new to Rank Math, figuring everything out on your own can take a while. So we have created this step-by-step tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to install and set up Rank Math on your WordPress website, the must-know SEO features of Rank Math, and how to use Rank Math features. So let's get started. Installing and setting up Rank Math is quite simple. First, get a Rank Math subscription from its official website and choose a plan that fits your needs for $6.99 per month. You'll get access to powerful SEO tools and can use them on unlimited personal websites. If you're on budget, get the free version with basic SEO features, but Rank Math Pro is worth the small investment for serious website growth. After purchasing, head to My Account and download Rank Math Pro. Once done, go to your WordPress dashboard, plugins, and click Add New Plugins. Then click on the Upload button. Select the zip file you've downloaded by clicking the Choose File button. Then click on Install Now and then activate it. To activate the license, go to Rank Math SEO Options, Dashboard, and then Help tab. Click the Connect Now button. Then you'll be redirected to a page where you can connect your account to activate the license. Use the same Rank Math account you used when subscribing to a Rank Math Pro plan. Now click OK, Activate Now, and it will be activated. Right after installation, you will see a setup wizard. Here, Rank Math asks you some basic questions. Based on your answer, it will configure the SEO settings. The first section is the mode selections. There are 3 modes. The easy and advanced are not entirely different, but advanced mode has some additional advanced settings to configure. In custom mode, you can select your previously set Rank Math settings file, mostly in the JSON format, from your computer and upload it. For this guide, we'll use advanced mode. Please note you can always switch modes at any time. Now, your site tab. Tell Rank Math what your site is about and provide the site name, organization name, logo, etc. It helps Rank Math generate the right structured data and optimize SEO settings based on the type of site you run. The Analytics tabs allows you to connect with Google Analytics Search Console and AdSense and give you access to all your business important report in your WordPress admin dashboard. We'll discuss analytics in detail in the 5th point. Now, sitemap helps search engine quickly find and index your website's content. Rank Math has a built-in sitemap generator, so you don't need an extra plugin. Your images are included by default. It will boost visibility for image-heavy content. Posts and pages are selected for public post types to focus SEO on your main content. Categories are selected for public taxonomies to help search engine understand your content structure. We'll also enable video sitemaps for posts and pages to improve video visibility in search results. The next step is optimization. No index empty category and tag archives. If you enable this, it will automatically no indexes the categories and tags with no posts. No follow external links. When enabled, all external links will be no followed. It can be helpful for some sites, but it's not recommended for general sites. Open external links in the new tab or window. If you enable this option, Rank Math will auto add the attributes to all your external links, so when visitors clicks on them, they will open in a new tab. So enable this. Click Save and Continue button. Finally, the Ready tab. It doesn't contain any settings. Here you will see an option, Enable Auto Updates of Plugin. We suggest you turn these features on. Now hit the Advanced Setting button to move forward. Here you can enable Role Manager to assign specific responsibilities to your team, like administrator, editor, author, and contributor, etc. Each permission controls what part of the Rank Math SEO tool the users can access. 404 plus redirections. Enabling these lets you see if visitors or search engines encounter any 404 not found error while browsing your site, and you can easily redirect faulty URLs on your site or add custom redirections. Schema markup. It provides metadata about your website and your post that you can add to your website to give context to the search engines. Once ready, click Save and Continue button to finish the setup. Now let's take a look at some of Rank Math's most used features. First, you can perfectly optimize your content title and meta description using Rank Math. Let's see how to do that. Create a new post or open an existing one. Here we'll go with a new post. In the post editor, you will see SEO score button with Rank Math logo at top right corner. Simply click on that. Now you will see all the Rank Math tools and suggestions. For this example, we have created an article titled 10 Best Places in Europe. Keeping that in mind, we'll use Best Places in Europe as our focus keyword. The best part is that Rank Math Pro lets you choose 5 focus keywords per post, so you can optimize your post for multiple keywords. The first focus keyword will be the primary focus keyword, and the rest will be considered the secondary. While optimizing, you'll see color telling you what test you have passed and what not. Green means you have done the SEO right. Yellow means that it's not fully optimized. Red means it's not even following basic SEO practices. Below the focus keyword, you can mark your content as pillar content. It signals to Rank Math that it's important content and instructs to show it in the internal linking suggestions. We'll explain more about internal linking suggestion in the 3rd point. You will also see optimization suggestions under 4 titles. First, the basic SEO includes suggestions like the use of focus keywords in the SEO title, meta description, URL, content, etc. This key on page SEO signals tell search engine what your content is about. Proper use increases your chances of ranking higher for your target keyword. The additional section includes suggestions like use of focus keyword in subheadings and image alt text, keyword density, URL length, external links, internal links, and more. This will fine-tune your content for search engines and improve its accessibility and authority for better rankings. The title readability part includes suggestions like the focus keyword used at the beginning of the SEO title, positive or negative sentiment words, power words, and number used in the title. Because catchy and clear title improves click-through rates from search results, signaling search engines your content is valuable. Finally, the content readability suggestion includes whether you have used the table of content plugin, short paragraphs, images, and videos. Improving these suggestions enhances user experience, reduces bounce rate, and keep people engaged. Check out your final SEO score once you're done. If your score is not green, go through each test descriptions and see which test requires additional effort. You can also fix this test by clicking the Fix with AI button, and Content AI will take care of the rest. You will also have a cumulative score based on how well the entire post is optimized on the Rank Math button. Once your score is green, you're good to go. For details on Content AI, we'll explain in the next section. Content AI includes 40 plus AI tools to change how you do SEO inside your WordPress website. You can either purchase the Content AI subscription or use the free credit. For this tutorial, we'll be using the 750 free credits for Content AI that comes with Rank Math Pro. Start by enabling the Content AI module. Go to Rank Math SEO dashboard and module section. To get the free credit, go to the Rank Math SEO general settings and Content AI and refresh the credit button. In this tutorial, out of those AI tools, we'll discuss the 3 most commonly used tools here. First, meta title and description play a big role in how your content appears in search results. Click on the Rank Math icon in the post editor and then the edit snippet button. There in the general tab, hit the generate with AI button. There you can add the topic, add brief description, choose your audience, add focus keywords, set the tone, and hit generate button. If you are satisfied, hit the insert button on your output. Next, Content AI meta box. It includes write mode, AI tool, rank bot, and research option. We'll talk about the write mode. Add instruction for writing the content and then set the tone for your content like formal, friendly, etc. After that, add focus keyword, choose the content length, and hit the generate button. It generates content that's keyword focused and tailored for your audience. Great for saving time while staying SEO friendly. Note that each word will consume your 1 credit, so use it wisely. Content AI includes a built-in chatbot called RankBot, or built-in AI assistant for SEO research, marketing ideas, and content brainstorming, like having ChatGPT right inside WordPress. To access RankBot, go to Rank Math dashboard and chat options. You can also use RankBot in the post editor. Click the Content AI icon. In the meta box, click the chat icon to access RankBot. Type a prompt within the 2000 characters and RankBot generates answers instantly. Useful for generating outlines, titles, meta description, ideas, and even full paragraphs. Once the response is generated, you can copy it by hovering over it and clicking copy. Internal linking is a powerful SEO strategy that helps search engines understand your site structure while guiding visitors to relevant content. Rank Math's internal linking suggestions combined with the pillar content feature makes this process easier. When you set a post to pillar content, Rank Math prioritizes linking it to the wherever relevant. This strengthens the authority of that post, making it more likely to rank higher on search engine. To enable link suggestion features, go to Rank Math title and meta option and then post. Scroll down and enable the link suggestions options. Now you'll see link suggestion title. This option is to configure how Rank Math fetches the link suggestions. There are 2 options. Here we'll choose the titles. This will suggest the post with similar titles. Let's click Save Changes. Once you have done this, when you write a new post, it will show your pillar post from the same category under the link suggestions. Once you see the link, copy and paste them or hit the link icon to insert them directly into your content. Next, we'll look at the 404 redirection and redirection manager features. 404 error happens when a page or link no longer exists. They hurt user experience, increases bounce rate, and negatively impact search engine rankings. Therefore, regularly tracking this error is necessary. Now enable the 404 monitor module and redirection from Rank Math SEO dashboard under module tab. Then go to the 404 monitor option. When a visitor encounters a 404 error on your site, the details of the error will be recorded and presented here. To redirect the URL, hover your mouse over the error you want to fix and click the redirect link. Start by entering the source URL from which you want to redirect. Any errors causing URL you will find in 404 monitor will go here. For example, we previously published an article 10 best places in Europe but forgot to optimize its URL slug. It's too long, we want to change the slug to small one. We will change the URL in the post first, but that will leave the old URL as a broken link. So let's create a redirection for this one. Now we'll create a full new URL in the redirection URL box. For the redirection type, we'll go with 301, which is set by default. It tells search engines the content has been moved permanently. In the next option, you will see the status is set to active by default, which means the redirection is active immediately. Once done, click the Add Redirection In button and it's done. Finally, Rank Math's Analytics module. First, you need to enable the Analytics module from Rank Math SEO module and Analytics option. Go to the General Settings and then the Analytics option. Click on the Connect Google Service button. Now sign into your Google account and click Allow to connect with Rank Math and grant all the permissions. Here you can see that Rank Math has auto-added your site property and it's listed under the site drop-down list in the Search Console section. Add Google Analytics with Rank Math, select your account and then select your Google Analytics 4 property from the property drop-down. Then select the website. The default country is worldwide, but you can always change it and choose the country as per your choice. You can enable the Install Analytics Code option if you do not use any other plugin or theme to install the Google Analytics Code. To connect Rank Math to your AdSense account, in the AdSense section, select your AdSense account from the drop-down list. Click on the Save Changes button once you have made the necessary changes. Once done, Rank Math will start fetching the data. A green signal indicates a valid connection, a red signal indicates a problem in the corresponding connection. To fix this, simply reconnect with your Google account by clicking the reconnect option at the top right of the analytics settings. Now you can access your site data from the analytics dashboard under Rank Path SEO Analytics menu. As we are trying this on a new site, so there isn't any remarkable data, but we'll show you what details you will find here. Here you will see an overview of your current SEO performance and your SEO progress. It has the time frame options on all the reports on the top right. The default value is set to 30 days, which means the reports are from the past 30 days. You can select from many different time frame if you click the drop down menu. The overall optimization reports give you a bird's eye view of your post overall optimization. It shows you the average optimization score across your website and the number of posts with good, fair or poor optimization. Site Analytics shows your SEO effort toward your website's most important posts. It gives you an overview of the score of your website's well-optimized post. The SEO performance gives you a quick update on your search traffic, search impressions, click generated, total number of keywords you are ranking for, and the average positions. Also, you get to see your top winning and losing posts. Besides, you can look up for a particular post, page, or product on your website by entering the URL or typing the post title in the search box. You can also choose the number of days you want to see the analytics data for. Now you know the idea of analytic dashboard, and you can take your time and go through them all. In this video, we have covered the most commonly used SEO features. However, more optimization options are available, such as image SEO, schema integration, customizable breadcrumbs, WooCommerce SEO, and more. For now, it's a wrap. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.